Well, good day everyone. Where we are now, we're in a place called Olive Grove, and this here is the creek, which I'll just point all the way down there, goes down to Fremont Park, so it feeds down that way. So a lot of this water comes down underneath all the roads and goes down to Fremont Park, and that's where Brody and myself spend a lot of our time. And I always said that we'd come down here and just show you, but you have got no idea just how much litter is up this end. What I'll do, I'll just hop down, it's quite a steep walk, and we'll just have a look. Righto, we've made it down, and Brody's gonna start picking it all up, but I tell you what, right here at the minute, it is absolutely putrid. And I just want to pick this up so you can see what's actually down here. Look at this.
Oh my god.
Look at all this. Can you see all that? Look at that, circuit boards. That's probably out of a television, that one. Yeah, we'll pick that up. We'll take that with us. Don't go stepping in that gunk. Let's get across the other side here, Brody. Righto. Look at this. Big plastic egg cartons. And here's some more electronics, look.
Yeah, me too.
Look at this. Yeah, more electronics. We'll get rid of that. Hello, for all you workers out there, if you're looking for a shirt. Here we go. Look at this. Look at that. Fluoro vest. Or fluoro shirt. Wow, this is just unbelievable. Plastic. I don't know what that is. Looks like someone's bag. There's gloves down here underneath my feet. Broken bottles. Oh boy. Righto, what have we got here? Yeah, see, Brody collects these. Look, mobile phone covers. Here's a bag. Someone's lost their bag. Look at that. It's quite a nice looking bag. Actually, yeah, it's come straight from one of our collection agencies. It's got their, Salvation Army, I think it is. Bags. It's got their price tags still on it. Wow, what a waste. It's quite a good looking bag. Wow, just look at all this plastic. This is just unbelievable. Wow. Well, I'll just get along here a little bit more. Geez, there's just so much. And tons more. Alright then. I'm going to pause it here. We're obviously going to spend a bit of time here. I might have to go back to the vehicle and get our bags. So, all right then. Stay tuned. Okay, here's a quick summary, everyone. Just to see what we got: the phone covers, plastic straws,
smoke.
Yeah, cigarettes. We found this guts for an old TV, the big handbag, and big fluoro coat. So we come down here to see our new duck sign. While we're here, we just picked up a bit of rubbish. Anyway, that's all for now.
Please subscribe and hit the bell and like the video. Let's get to 1,000 likes.